Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to track your net worth in Rocket Money. So the Rocket Money's net worth feature gives you a snapshot of your overall financial health by calculating the difference between your assets and liabilities as you update your account. So your net worth is automatically recalculated. So to track your net worth in this app, you'll need to first open it and then just sign into your account, and then just go to the net worth section from the dashboard or the account tab. So actually I can't proceed to the dashboard, and that's because my Capital One bank is blocked. So I'm going to be specific on my explanation as well. You will need just to follow the steps. So I told you to sign into your account and then go to the net worth section from the dashboard or the account tab, and then just link all of your financial accounts, including the checking and saving accounts, the credit cards, the investment and retirement accounts, and the loans and mortgages. So then just wait for Rocket Money to sync your account balances and review your current net worth, which is calculated as assets and menus liabilities, and then just view the net worth charts to monitor changes over time and refresh your account periodically to keep your balances or your balance up to date. Also guys, you will need to link all of your financial accounts so your net worth reflects your complete financial picture, and keep account connections active to ensure balances updates automatically, and review your assets and liabilities regularly to spot trends and measure progress toward your financial goals. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.